Welcome to the third NeuroTouch R&D Consortium meeting. This is the opening presentation. My name is Robert DiRaddo. I'd like to start the presentation by welcoming the new members to the consortium. We have Queen Elizabeth II Infirmary, Dalhousie University out of Halifax, Nova Scotia, the Foothills Hospital, University of Calgary out of Calgary, Alberta, Baylor MD Anderson out of Houston, Texas, and McMaster University out of Hamilton, Ontario. So welcome to the four new members. The National Research Council is the Government of Canada's organization for R&D, and the NeuroTouch Consortium mission is to develop and deploy surgical simulation technology effective for training neurosurgical skills. So let's go through the meeting agenda. We'll start the meeting with Dr. Rolando Del Maestro and Alexander Winkler-Schwartz from McGill University, who will give an overview of their validation studies using the NeuroTouch technology. We'll then have Dr. Joshua Betterson from Mount Sinai Hospital, who will present NeuroTouch validation studies at Mount Sinai. Patricia DeBerg will give an overview of the advancements in endoscopic surgery simulation and the status of the delivery of the simulators at the different locations. Francis Thibault will present advancements in neurovascular surgery simulation, and Di Jiang will present the advancements in the scenario creator exercises for NeuroTouch. I'd like to just go over the membership of the consortium. So we have the Montreal Neurological Institute, McGill University out of Montreal, the University Health Network out of the University of Toronto, Hôpital Enfant Jésus out of Quebec City, Saint-Justin Hospital out of the CHUM in Montreal, the London Health Sciences Centre out of London, Ontario, the new members, Queen Elizabeth II Infirmary out of Dalhousie University, the Foothills Hospital out of Calgary, and McMaster University out of Hamilton. So these are the Canadian members. If we go to the international members, we have King Fahad Medical City out of Riyadh in Saudi Arabia, Mount Sinai Hospital out of New York City, the University of Minnesota, North Shore Hospital out of Chicago, the University of Pennsylvania out of Philadelphia, Baylor MD Anderson out of Houston, and the Medical University of Vienna out of Vienna, Austria. We've added two associate members who come to us via joint projects with two of the Canadian members. First of all, we have the Corley Boo Hospital out of Dhaka in Ghana, and Cibesta out of Milan in Italy. So these are the associate members that come to us via joint research projects via two of the Canadian teaching hospital members. So I wanted to make an announcement regarding our plan for mass diffusion of the NeuroTouch simulator. I'd like to start by saying that NRC's primary directive is to help grow Canadian industry. So our current consortium members will continue with NRC in the current format. I wanted to assure everybody of that. Future adopters of NeuroTouch will be required to procure from a commercialization entity. So we are considering options at this time for the commercialization entity. But again, the current members will continue to be served via NRC. And additional consortium members beyond the current members will be exceptional. So I just wanted to inform everybody, the membership of that. Your status, those of you that are currently members, will not be affected, but new members will be very exceptional going forward. I wanted to announce a couple of derivative meetings that occurred to the NeuroTouch Consortium meeting here. McGill University hosted the Quebec Neurosurgery Simulation Symposium in September 2013 at the Montreal Neurological Institute, and Mount Sinai Hospital hosted the Brain Surgery Simulation Symposium in November 2013 in New York City. So we're very happy to have these derivative meetings occurring from our consortium meetings here. So again, I wanted to summarize, give you an overview of our contributors at NRC to the NeuroTouch development. So I won't go into every individual one by one, but I wanted to give you a snapshot of the team. I wanted to quickly go over NRC competencies and what makes NeuroTouch unique as a simulation technology. First of all, we base it on a physics-based real-time simulation engine with contacting, deformable, and dissecting structures. So it's a physics-based engine founded on Newton's first principles. Secondly, we use industry-standard agile development for our software development, adopting elements such as collective code ownership, test-driven development, continuous integration, pair programming, sprint-based releases, and a level of regulatory marking. And our developments are supported by biomechanical tissue models and testing in our tissue testing lab that we integrate into our software. Again, from an NRC competency perspectives that we feel makes us unique, we have a strong human-machine interaction component that considers software integration with hardware and interacting devices, our level of multisensorial interaction with the level of haptic compensation. We look at hardware and software ergonomics. We consider safety, efficiency, and outcome performance metrics. And we have a clinically driven pedagogical content. I'm happy to announce a text that came out of a recent textbook, the comprehensive textbook of healthcare simulation, where NeuroTouch was quoted. So I'd like to share these quotes with you. Additionally, NeuroTouch approximates a true OR setting better than any other system now in use. All these components make the NeuroTouch simulation system the most realistic system available at this time. So we're very happy with this external recognition that NeuroTouch has gotten. So again, our next meeting, I'd like you to fix June 20th, 2014 in your agendas. And we are moving towards a model where we include more and more talks from the members. So the University of Toronto will be giving a talk, as well as North Shore Hospital. And if there are others that would like to give a talk, we are more than welcome to entertain that in the context of the preparation of the agenda. So thank you for listening for the opening presentation, and let's move to the next presentation, which is the NeuroTouch validation studies being done at McGill University.